the wings sheared off, the center center wing root sheared off. I broke both wing servos. It's kind of amazing, these things. This one actually ended up an okay shape. Got some holes right there. This one got really trashed, completely busted up the front. What did really well was this wing spar. First off, the landing gear, that's done a tough PLA. The center wing connection was fine, but it just ripped completely off the body. But the spar, this is lightweight PLA, and I put a Kevlar strip reinforced with CA, and it's completely untouched. It's in perfect shape. As for the plane, I lost most of the front of it. Prop got busted, and from about here to midpoint back, it was completely garbage. As far as the back of the plane, it's fine, and I can reprint the pieces, basically just reassemble the whole front of this thing, create some new wings, and put this guy back up in the air.